Yo, here's my trade recap and overall market bias for today. I took two trades. One was a loss, and then the second one was a partial win. So we're down. So if I wouldn't actually take the trades, paper trading is down at the moment. But I'm just playing around with it, seeing what price reacts off, and just putting down these fake trades. Yeah, and there would have been one loss, and then got hit first TP for the second one, and then break even, stop out, which would have put me down at like 0.5 R for the day. Like, yeah, after losing 1 R, then winning another 0.5. So flying. Yeah, let's go through it. So my target today was to fill in this big 4 hour fair value gap that we made yesterday. So yeah, especially after coming down and sweeping out these lows here, on both the Nasdaq and ES. We did have these other 4 hour lows on ES, but so that was just something to keep an eye on. Yeah, so we had already swept those, so I was looking for a continuation, and that came from first of all sweeping out. Where was these lows here? Where was it? What did I do? Yeah, so we swept out these lows on the 1 minute on the S&P, and then we didn't sweep them out on Nasdaq. So I was looking to long off that. That really doesn't look like the best long now that I look back at it. It's really quite bad, to be fair. I took it on Nasdaq because that was the leading indicator. It just looked like that one wanted to go up more. And we did have to create an SMT to the downside where Nasdaq swept these. So yeah, that definitely wasn't the best trade to take. I was just playing around with this new strategy. I didn't actually risk anything on this, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, stop loss below the fair value gap. Take profits up at them. That 4 hour fair value gap up there. First TP at these highs. But yeah, pretty much got stopped out that straight away within a minute. Then I started looking at, we swept out these lows, so I could get rid of that, and we could get rid of that because it made an SMG. Came down, swept out both these lows, and then entered this 5 minute fair value gap, and we had a nice little reaction off of that. I was looking at there was no fair value gaps on the 3 minute, so I took it on the 2 minute. We inverted fair value gap, entered off of that one. Stop loss was below this low here. Yeah, came up, hit first TP, then after hit first TP, I would have moved stop loss to break even. Got stopped out at break even, bringing us to 0.5 R on a day if I would have taken them. Not saying that I would have taken them if I was really risking any money, because they're not the best trades. Price is moving pretty ugly. Yeah. We also created another SMT, which just SMTs all over the place, which isn't great for what my bias is saying. Just come down more into this 5 minute fair value gap, create an SMT here actually. So yeah, it looks like price is just going to chop today, and maybe eventually it'll come up and fill in this 4 hour fair value gap. I don't see price not coming up into this. It's quite a big untapped area of imbalance. So, and we've already swept out liquidity. We haven't got much targets other than these other 4 hour. Oh, those daily lows. Those are daily lows. Maybe we come down, sweep them out. But yeah, I do think price will want to retrace a little bit before coming to do that. Or yeah. But we'll see. I'm trying to be more reactive and less predictive. of the markets. Yeah, that's the day. Not much else to say. Good little learning day. Just playing about. Not really, not worried at all about what the results were. Just seeing how this market, reacts off of these confluences that I'm drawing out, and yeah, just getting that practice in. Still just gonna watch these throughout the day, see what happens. Get rid of these, clean it up, and yeah. I do want to say yesterday, did a nice little prediction before this sell-off happened. Yesterday I said that price may want to come out sweet, and I think I'll sweep these highs and then drop off, but this just happened too late in the day. I could have actually no. I think I didn't like what price was doing yesterday. So I didn't take a trade. But yeah, so I wanted to short. My bias was to short yesterday, but we just kept making these higher highs, and it's not really giving me much. And then eventually we did just like shit the bed heavily. I'm not actually sure why we did that. Like, why it took so long to do that and why it was such a massive move. I think some fundamental news happened or something. I don't know. But yeah, just felt quite good to see that what I said might happen actually did happen. Yeah. Anyways, a little practice day today. Nice little journal entry. Yeah. Get back at it next week. Got a big news weekend next week, so I might not be trading as much. So yeah, but we'll see.